How to leave a group in Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about leaving a group in your Facebook. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device, and also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now once you're in the home page, go to the chat section, then tap on the group that you want to leave. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now from this page, scroll down and there you will see the option of Leave Group and Report under our Privacy and Support section. Tap on Leave Group and then tap on Leave Again to confirm, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Now if you want to view the group message, even if you have left, tap on the gear icon in the top, then tap on Archive, and there you will see the group you just left. So that's all for this video. This is exactly how you can leave a group on Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.